to around the world in love. Happy birthday. Stay
Parang sa Ocean Park yun, pero malaki yung kapin. What do you call that? Yung whale pending. Yeah. Thank you. Way to go. You are spectacular. O diba, nachamba. So, magla-last song na ako. Magta-top of the world na naman ako. Thank you everyone. Maraming salamat pa. Ubulit din na top of the world. And everyone, thank you. So this is the last song for today. Thank you everyone. Maraming salamat po. Shout out to all of my stars, Super LUV STARS, to my super chat and super centers, subscribers, and everyone. Thank you so much. Should feel responding over. I was wondering, was everything I see not a cloud in the sky, the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's like true. Everything I want the world to be is the coming true, especially for me. And the reason is it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I see. I'm on the top of the world looking down at creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Girl, I stood me at the top of the world. Thank you so much for the support. Maraming salamat po. This moment is something in the way has reminded me. And it's telling me that things are not the same. In the midst of the twist and the touch of the breeze, there is a blissing sense of happiness for me. There is only one wish on mine. One this day is true, I hope that I will find that tomorrow will be just the same for you and me. All I need will be mine if you are here. I'm on the top of the world looking down at creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. You're living at the top of the world. I'm on the top of the world. The explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. You're living at the top of the world.